All right, y'all see it. Let's get to it. Got a decent green day today, man. War still going on. Trump done sent them. Put the Marines, some more sailors over there, put some troops on the ground. Don't know whether he's going to use them or not, but they are there. Anyway, the war still goes on, man. Y'all might well put it in y'all head that it's going to be going on for the rest of April. Let's see what's going to happen, man. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Watch my recent videos. Share my channel also. I'm good. I'm excited about it because I know once all this is over with, my portfolio going to look real good, man. I'm going to make a lot of money. I'm going to get rid of a bunch of stocks, clean my portfolio up, add on and increase my dividends every month, and we're going to keep it rolling, man. Y'all subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Watch my recent videos. Share my channel also. Let's get to it. All right. Let's go on the list, man. Let's start with, all right, urgent buys, urgent sales. As you know, last week, for y'all that watched the whole videos, I've been buying Medifast. I accumulated 56 shares. I was buying them at like $9.50 and 9.69 from 9.80 and under. I know this is gonna go back past the $10 mark because I've been watching it and I can do my little minor way of charting. But anyway, I just put this how you swing trade. I bought 56 shares here, roughly around about, I can say 942 to 977 at the most. You see the price at 1011. Today it jumped up to 1022 for the day's high. 52-week high is 1546. I'm at 1581. As I said, when I tell you I'm going to trade myself out of stuff, I buy it and sell it, buy it and sell it, buy it and sell it. Reason of doing it is to lower my average cost. And once you sell this, my average cost is 1581. Once I sell these 56 shares, it's gonna hit my new average cost. This what I did. This is what I want to show you. As I said, I brought at 977 and like 942. All right, I got a sell limit order for 56 shares at 1022. That's the day's high. I'm good with that order. And I also got a stop limit order at $10. All right, I did the stop limit order at $10 because just in case, when I went online, well, checked until started trading, to today to see whatever, man. Anyway, when I went online to see this stock is at $10.08. I seen the 52-week high at 1022, so I did a stop limit order. The reason you do a stop limit order I did at $10 is I'm gonna let this stock run. So just in case it sells off, once it hits the $10 mark, it's gonna automatically kick me out and sell 56 shares at $10. So I'm gonna get a minimum of $10 for them, which I am cool with that. Like I see, I paid $9.77 to $9.42 a piece. But I'm also good with selling them 56 shares at 1022. I can do a rinse and repeat thing. If it hit the 1022 first, I'm gonna cancel the stop limit order at $10. If it hit the stop limit order first at $10, I'm gonna cancel the 1022. So more than likely, if it stops and kick me out at $10, it's gonna go back down to 950, 960. And I'm gonna rinse and repeat, do it again, and lower my average cost again. All right, I did that. Also with Horizon Technology, you don't have to sell. This is something I'm doing to lower my average cost. I bought 250 shares at $4.07. I got a sell limit order at $4.17. I'm gonna make 10 cents a share on 250 shares. That's like $25. I did it to lower my average cost. Like I say, man, they reduced their dividend from 11 cents a share to 6 cents a share. I got average cost at $8.16, so that's what I'm gonna do to lower my average cost. And this, I do plan on keeping it stock for the dividend though. Trying to think. That's it. All right, let's go to trade, man. ACHR. They want to do the little rumble, but going on a rant. A lot of rumbling, should I say. I just wanted to break it down to you. Talk to you like you three, get you to understand how the swing trading works. Arca Aviation made a new 52-week low 484. Y'all be wondering why I'm still buying this. It's 75% buy, 25% hold. You buying this, you not buying this. See, the stock dropped despite routine filings. They trying to, they filing stuff, I guess, to get the licensings and all that stuff, agreements, all that stuff with this stock. This is an EV stocks, meaning they gonna be, they do the drones and the planes. They actually like getting planes. They're gonna have like, in the future, you're gonna be able to catch planes on Uber with Uber, like that kind of stuff. So they are the one of the companies that's, you know, guess inventing this kind of stuff or whatever you want to say, man. But this is gonna be a long-term play. A lot of people trading it, they buying and selling it, buying and selling it. You could do a day trading thing. Bought at 44, sell at 516, but for the last 3 months, the stock has been going down. So I'm investing in it. I'm also going to swing trade it at the same time. I got $2 a day going into it. On this low, I buy another $2 worth. I mean, like I say, I'm looking at this for the long term. So that's why I'm buying it. But I am pairing it with growth dividend stocks too, so I can get a dividend too. Say I buy $25 worth of ACHR and I buy $25 worth of a dividend stock. Dividend stock that pays hell 12 cents a share a month. Or say if I do it with like YMAX, something that, or YMAG, something that pay like 10 cents a share a week or 8 cents a share a week. You know, I pay it with those so I can still get me a heavy dividend, so I can get the growth side of Arca Aviation when it does decide to go up, and I can get the dividend. That is my way of doing things. You got to come up with your own concept and things that work for you, but mentally for me it does work. If I go spend 100 on Arca Aviation, BTCC pays out every other week. I go get $100 worth of this. Arca Aviation pays a zero dividend yield. This got a dividend yield about 25-27%. Just to say you divide them by 2, you're getting a 13% yield between both of them. That's how I look at things. Anyway, man, I'm going in at 15.55. It's at 15.58. I'm going to get some right now at this price. I like this at 16 and under. And this does options on Bitcoin. Yeah, this don't trade 24 hours. All right, HPP. Stay out of this one. Gonna be another one I'm gonna be trading. Buying in the 550-ish, 560-ish, selling it over the $6 range. Once this pull on back, like I said, the low today was 557. Go get me some more shares because I got to have shares to sell. I'm gonna do 25. I can sell them 25 and they go back above the $6 mark. Rinse and repeat. Lower my average cost at the same time. And that's how you got to do it, man. We got Horizon, IWMY, dividend play. Pay out every week. Want to get me 500 shares. Got down to 1763. It's at 1760. Buying dollars. Need some more of that. RC Ready Capital gonna be another. Y'all remember, everything you buy now, you gonna have to hold on to, man. Just some stuff you can swing trade, get in and out of, but you gonna have to really let it run and make some money. RC got a good push today. I'm going to get some at $1.51. I'm gonna go with Bull. I actually got enough, but on the down days I do go accumulate some more. Which I do have a sell limit order. right here. So I'm gonna go buy this in another portfolio. I'm gonna see, because I got one thing I don't like about Robinhood, man. When you trying to really be a trader, you can't do it on this site, because it's gonna stop you. You can't have a buy limit and sell limit all at the same time. It's just crazy. Anyway, Chickaman TSM, Taiwan Semiconductor, going get you some of this 52-week high 390, 134 for the low. They not going anywhere. You know, they make all the chips for everybody. Wendy's is another one. Another one I've been buying, got down to 667 today. I know last week I brought some. See, like it's catching a hard time getting back over the 732 mark. But I brought some at 678, 690, $7, 688. Once I sell this time, this should put me above. But like I said, with this one, I just be swing trading it. 10 shares, 6.67. Get another 25. Like I say, my intention is to sell this at like $7.20. Just trying to find some stocks to swing trade at the same time, man, so I can make some money. Over years time from Wendy's, I can make me a couple grand out there over for capital appreciation. I take it. QQQY got the 2008, it's at 2009 now. We'll get some more of this. This pays out every week also. I'm gonna get me my 500 shares. No better time to do it than now. Better fast. Don't worry about that. Showed you that. Showed you Horizon. Anyway, Horizon, I brought some shares at 407. I got to sell them all at 417, make $10 a share, 10 cents a share, like I say. I will go buy some more at $4 and $3.97 gonna be my next buying order. We did HPP. Gonna get some COF, Capital One. 52 high, $260. Go put your buy limit orders in at $176.79, or go get some at market price right there. And AMZN, Amazon, $200.19. 52-week high is $260. Go get you some Amazon. Got GIS, General Mills, having a nice day today also. I put a buy limit order in at $36.32. Dividend yield right now is 6.67%. Gotta get Nike, $51.31. I think they got earnings this week coming out, if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna have to cancel this order to buy some more Nike. They 556.43 shares. 5.556. 55.56. 43 share. Nike. Now watch when I try to buy some of this, not gonna let me. See? So what you got to do is cancel your pending order, your sell order. That's how they make you do. But when it run up, I will be selling it, getting those shares back, believe me. All right, got YMAG, Magnificent 7. SPYT, $15.89. Options on the S&P 500. We'll get some clip. This over there in China. China Crane shares. SRLN, $39.92. Pays 25 to 28 cents a share a month, over 8% dividend yield. Get some CLM, $6.92. Definitely buy this dip. Definitely about the $7 range. Gonna get his sister or brother CRF. That down to $6.56. So I'm gonna get $3 worth right here. And I'm gonna hit him for $6.56. I didn't mean to do that. Bye. And 5 shares, 6.56. Hit them with a 10 piece. That's my average cost anyway. 686. 52-week low is 581. What we're gonna do, we're gonna replace that order. Get 3 shares. Just in case, I don't know how long this war gonna last. Cash up a little bit. ACP also pays out every month. $95. Ticker FLO. Flowers Food. $8.22. Dividend yield 11.7%. You'll get some SVOL, $15.18, pay 18 cents a share a month. No, 28 cents they paid for this month. A little bit of YMAX. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that. Some PCF. Also pays out every month. So everything over with, just shoot back up. Yep, just buying up cash flow. Another one, OPP. This is all the stuff I brought from my Webull portfolio. Download up. There's dollar cost average on in it. At GOF. 1054. At 1066. Back's another one if you need to trade your way up out of this one. It's the best time to do it. Stocks go back up, get rid of it. Cause that's what I plan on doing. If you're not in it, stay out of it. Uber, $68.84. Definitely get some of that. 52-week highs, 102. Y'all know Uber not going anywhere. All right. Like the market coming back down. Nice green day though. Some more SLRC, time this under $15. Pay out every month. Try to get some RPT also. GSBD. I had a sell limit order here. Gonna let me get some at 892. I want to try to make me sell my stuff. It didn't. That's fine. We got a sell order in at like 938 though. Sell a couple shares, rinse, repeat. It's another one, a swing trade. We got spit. NVDY, can go get you some of that. God damn it. I get me another 2-piece of NVIDIA. QDTE, XDTEs, round hills, just pay out every week also. On the S&P 500. Gotta hit them hard, lower the average cost, man, while these stocks cheap. This dividend plays. What we looking at with earn 8 cents a share every month. $4.40. Definitely a buy. CHPY. 5250, I'm up. Some more GPTY. I know these got to do with the AI and tech. You know, they down, so. Lower the average cost if you're going to lower it. GPTY, LFGY, crypto and things. You know, this one getting beat up, 1921. It's made a new 52-week low. Damn, MSTY coming down some more. Crypto getting beat up. We need to go see the price of Bitcoin, see what it is. I'll check in 1 second. Russell 2000. All right. Got all the ACPs. ITA, ETF, Defense ETF 211, I'm at 233. Get a bunch of that. Upload that average cost. I think this stock should be up. Hit that, lower that some. And then Soxy. Semiconductor ETF, semi's getting whooped too. $5 worth. And that's it, y'all. Those are all the trades I got going on. Hopefully I can hit this MetaFast for 1022 and see what happened with the rest. Signing off. Go get your money.